Morning YouTubers, we are going out for a run on the bike. Oh yeah. We're going to see some lightnings. Yes, out of my way, peasant. This is my lane. I deserve to be here. We've just arrived in Market Raisin and we're going straight on at this crossroads. Oh, get it. Market Raisin is where they have the races, aren't they? You know, with the horses, horse racing, Capoo, Tilby. I think it's around here where the Tilby penny was made, maybe. I'll probably have to subtitle that. So, we've just passed through, oh God, just passed through Tilby and now looking out. You'll not be able to see it, but I can't even see it now myself. The cathedral in Lincoln is right out there on the horizon, tiny little dot. We're not very far from Binbrook now. Hopefully I'm going to show you the lightning in a farmer's yard. Oh, if you can see this little thing here, by the way, there's a bit of fluff. I've put a bit. Oh, it's a text message. I've got a bit of fluff over the mic to try and get rid of the wind noise. So, yeah, hopefully I'm going to show you a lightning in a farmer's yard and another one. So you might see two lightnings today in Binbrook. That's going to be pretty cool. foot deep pothole. So here we are, you'll see a lightning any second now. English electric lightning, one of my favourite aircraft. Ooh, yeah boy! Where is it? There's one. Oh, there it is. There you go. One English electric lightning. Covered up. Used to be based here. So one and another one there. So two. Cockpit one, some wings. And that's it. Right up those potholes. So yeah, there you go. Lovely. Right, let's go and find the one in the farmer's yard. Binbrook Church. Found it. Finally found it. There it is. There we are. Lightning in a farmer's field. Nice. Yeah, bro. Oh! Right, let's head home. For those of you wanting to go and see this lightning, you get to there and turn right, head towards Ludford. Right, we're going to head back. Oh, cold. So as you can tell, we've just gone, we've just come to the back of RAF Scampton, and the red arrow, well, two red arrows, synchro pair I think they're called. while we're out practicing. Oh, I can smell the aviation fuel. It's gorgeous. My hands are frozen. Freezing. So here's a little trick for you lot. Put your gloves on the exhaust. Smoke on. Can you tell what this is going to be? And look, there's a jumbo jet going right through the centre of it. I just noticed this sign up. Official Secrets Act. Prohibited place. Photography not allowed. Ooh! Cool. Do it again. Do it again. How cool is that? Just moved to another area where, was there? I think 5 have gone up. We're here, look, right by the landing lights, and they're going to come right over the top of us in a minute. Well, when they're going to land. So we're getting a bit of a display. It's cool. Here they come, gear down to land. Wow, they've rattled the trees. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye.